So let's start with this question from BA 5056 for sighting a light right ahead. So the question is that by steering a course of 000 degrees true at 12 knots, a vessel using DR position 50 degrees north, 140 west makes the following celestial observations. At 0600, we got the intercept 2 miles towards the azimuth 330 degrees true, and 0630 we got the intercept 1.1 miles away and azimuth is 040 degrees true. The current was setting 270 degrees true into 3 knots, and we have to find the position at 0630 hours and estimated position at 070. Also, we have to determine the course to steer from 0700 hours to have needle's light house right ahead when it was 12 miles off. So let's see, this is the rough plot. So this is somewhere your needle's lighthouse. First we have this DR position. So we know from this that we have the DR position, we have this azimuth 330 into 2 miles, we get first PL of 0600. Then from second we plot this 040 and 040 away 1.1 miles, so we got the second PL of 0630. Now this question is like a running fix where we have first PL and second PL of different timings, and we have the course to steer and current. So we assume any point from the first PL and we draw the course to steer and we draw the current. Wherever it cuts, that is our point and EP, and from here we transfer the first PL. So this is the first PL, we transfer here to this EP, and wherever the first PL and second PL cut, that is our running fix. Simple first case of running, second, third case of running fix with current. Then we need to have, so this is our 0630 fix and we are asked 0700 fix. So this course made good, we transfer for same half an hour, and from 6:30 to 7 we get the 0700 fix. Now we have this needle slide. So we have one position and we have 12 miles off. We have the current, and we know this method of sighting a light right ahead. In that, we always draw the current from the needle's point. So from 0700, we join this point after wherever the current cuts, and wherever it cuts this circle, from here we draw the course to steer. So this is 12 mile circle. So let's see the procedure in written. So the drift for is 3 miles, we know. From DR position, we draw the PLs, and from the first PL, we'll draw the course to steer for 30 minutes and transfer the first PL to cut the second PL, that's 6:30 position. From here, we transfer the triangle for 30 minutes and we get the 700 position. From we calculate the drift and apply to needle's point, and from there, draw the course made good 0700 to this point and cut off the arc of 12 miles from needle's point. From the point of intersection, from this position, we get the course made good and we get the course to steer to raise the needle's light right ahead. So just see the question. So we start with this chart 5056, where we have this DR position 50 degrees north and 1 degree 40 minutes west. This is our DR position, and from here we have the azimuth and two intercepts to draw the P. So we have marked this first intercept ITP 330, 2 miles towards. So we draw this PL after cutting a 2 miles arc, and the second intercept, which is at 0630, this is 040, and this side is GP, and the intercept is 1.1 miles, 1.1 miles away, so away from the intercept. So we have two PLs of 600. So we got the 0600 PL1 and 0630 PL2. Now this question is like our running fix, where we have 06001 PL and 0630 second PL. We have the course to steer and the current. So we take any point on the first PL. Suppose we take this point only, and from this point we draw the course to steer 000. So this is course 000 into 6 miles, you can see, because for half an hour we have to get up to 6:30. Then from here we plot the current is given 270 into 3 knots. So for half an hour, 270 into 1.5 miles. Wherever it cuts, that is our 0630 estimated position. From this position we have to transfer the first position line, and wherever it cuts the second PL, that will be our position. So now we transferred the first PL, and wherever it cuts the second PL, that is our 0630 fix, and we join this initial point to this point. So from the to the EP, so we got this course made good. So now in question it is asked 0630 fix, that we got here. Now we need 0700 fix. So the ship is running on this course. So if we transfer the course made good to here, we will get the 0700 fix. So we transferred this course from here to here, and same distance, because this is also half an hour, and from 6:30 to 7 is half an hour, same distance we cut, and wherever it cut, that is our 0700 fix. So some people plot this triangle also, but you can just transfer the course made good, because that is the line on which our ship is running. Now from here we move to the next part of the question, where we have this Needles lighthouse, you can see. So this is Needles lighthouse, and we have to pass this lighthouse right ahead at 12 nautical miles. So we cut an arc of 12 nautical miles from this Needles lighthouse, and we plot the current. So we have seen in the method of sighting a light right ahead, that we plot the current from the light. So this is 270 into 3 miles. And now what we do, the 0700 position or fix which we had got, from here we join this point where we got the current. This is our course made good, and wherever this point touches our circle, from here we will join the lighthouse, and that will be our course to steer. So clarification regarding this procedure you can see in the video of sighting a light right ahead. And don't forget to subscribe, comment and like the video, and please share to your mates. So now wherever this point cuts, we join the course, and you can see we measured this course 032 into 12 miles. And so this is our answer. The course to steer 032 degrees true, and the fix we had asked, the position 0630 fix is 50 degrees. You can see here 50 degrees, 05 north, and 001 degrees, 51.8 west. And this 700 position is 50 degrees, 10.8 north, and 001 degrees, 54.6 west. So you can check the position yourself. And just let's see the revision. So we were given the DR, we plotted the intercept and first PL 0600 PL and the second PL, and this is our second PL 1 mile away. And then we assumed any point on the first PL like a running fix where we have the two PLs. We plot the course to steer for half an hour, the time given and the current, and from the EP we transfer the first PL, and wherever the first and second PL cut, that is our fix, and we join the assumed point to the EP, that is our course made good. This course made in our distance from 700 position distance. First we go to needle slide and we plot a 12 mile circle, and we draw the current, and we got whatever is this point after the current. We draw the current from the lighthouse, and we join this point from the 700 fix to, or how we can improve these videos, please do write in the comments. So this is the method of running fix. If for anybody who's getting confused, we have one lighthouse and we have two PLs. We assume any point from the first PL and we draw the course to steer and we draw the current, and wherever it cuts for the same time triangle, we transfer the first PL, and wherever the first and second PL cut, that is our fix. So this same method is used here for 0630 fix. So let's understand this method of the principle of sighting a light right ahead. So let's take this question only. We have a 70700 fix, and we have this needle's light, and we have the current 270 3 knots, and we know either we can calculate the present luminous range, but in this question we have been given that this light was sighted right ahead at 12 miles. So we have this 12 mile circle. So either we can, if we are not given in the question, then we have to calculate the present luminous range when at what distance the light will be sighted right ahead. So just so let's see this example. We have a light here and we have the initial fix here, and we have to sight this light right ahead. So if we want, if we steer on the course which is heading directly to the bearing of the light, then that if we keep steering on this course and there is no current and wind, we will sight this light right ahead when we reach in the luminous range, or whenever the range of light which we can see the light, at that point we will see the light right ahead. Correct. Now if there is current and current, let's see how, what will be our course made good. So we plot the current 270, and we can see here we have to calculate how much time the current will take this ship. The ship is steering this course and the current is taking the ship on this side. So this circle is 12 miles and ship speed is also 12 miles. So the current will act for 1 hour. So 3 miles this current will take this ship away in the westerly direction. So when you where for this 12 miles of circle and 12 miles shift speed, whatever is the drift, as per the time we cut and we join. So the ship actual course made good will be this one, this green line. So ship is moving on this line and our course to steer will be this line, this red line. And ship will keep moving on this line on this course to steer, and whenever we reach at this point we will sight the light right ahead. So same thing here, the ship will keep moving on this line and on this course to steer, and once it reaches at this point within the range of sighting range or present luminous range of the light or the 12 mile circle which is given in the question, at that point this ship will see the light right ahead. So still, if you have any doubts or comments, please do write in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.